Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Weird Tales. So today's video is regarding my course which I have taken for RBI exam. And as many of you were asking कि मेरा source क्या है, please let me know. So I have taken this Olive Board course, but I know कि Olive Board course के बारे में अभी तक review market में नहीं है. That's why I thought of making it. So as to आप लोग को भी थोड़ा idea मिले कि क्या होता है course में, and what all is included, and whether you should purchase it or not. So I have purchased this complete course with books. Books I have not received as of now, but I have started using this course. So why now I have purchased this course? Ki last year I purchased Olive Board mock test series for SEBI, very near to the exam, and I was not very prepared for SEBI. But even because of this mock test of Olive Board, इसमें जो answers होते हैं after the explanation part, that is really very nicely explained. Because of that I was able to in less amount of study also I was able to clear the both the levels of exam of SEBI. So that's why I thought that I'll take Olive Board course for RBI as well. But I was looking for a course which has a mock test and PDFs of current affairs only, because I didn't require the whole course. But I didn't get ऐसा कोई course. And फिर मैंने ये देखा कि ये course पे कुछ 54% off है, and I'm getting it for 7,000 something. That's why I thought of purchasing it. Um, because see, I required mock interview. Of course, I don't know for now. I'll reach there or not. But this mock test is really important for me. I'll be getting phase one full mock length for 20 mock tests, and phase two का objective भी 30 mock रहेगा, and descriptive 30. Sectional test is also there for phase one, and topic wise test is also there. But of course, these two is what people prefer more, the full length mock. And I also wanted the current affairs PDFs downloadable form. That's why I purchased the course. It was not very expensive as of for me. Um, Even if you're a beginner, like you have never taken any course for RBI, you can see this course because everything is included इसमें, and the price point is also really good. So आप check कर सकते हो if you want. I'll also give you a review which will help you further to decide whether to purchase the course or not. So we'll start with the review now. So this is the course I have purchased, and its validity is until RBI Grade B 2025 exam. And of course, this highlights which I've already mentioned कि live classes तो होते ही हैं. And personally, I don't do live classes, but if you're a beginner, you should definitely go for live classes. इससे आपका conceptual clarity building होता है, and इंटरव्यू में भी हेल्प होता है, आंसर राइटिंग में भी होता है, एंड ऑफ कोर्स आपको करंट अफेयर्स करने से पहले यू शुड डू स्टैटिक पार्ट. Basic understanding is really very important. And of course, mock test is there, PDFs are there, which is downloadable. Monthly current affairs magazines is there, and descriptive test with expert evaluation. Like your answers will get evaluated, and आप कहाँ गलत हो, you'll get to know, and how to improve it. So this is there, and the faculties. These are your faculties. Okay. And now we have come to, you can see the different tabs over here: about, all, upcoming, magazines, ebooks, test, notes, and community. So in all of the subjects are included, but if you want to categorize like which one you have to study now, you can select from this drop down. Suppose ESI, static, current affairs, descriptive, and likewise all of the subjects are there. I'll show you for one for phase two, and one for phase one. Suppose I'll show you ESI descriptive part, right? So we can see कि यहाँ पर देखो subtopics is divided into different videos. We can also download the PDFs, and likewise. Suppose I'll open the service sector PDF, okay, for you. So okay, now question is there: discuss the various challenges faced by India's service sector and suggest measures to overcome these challenges. So ऐसे एग्जाम में आपको क्वेश्चन मिल सकता है, एंड फॉर 400 वर्ड लिमिट्स. तो आंसर इज बीइंग डिस्कस्ड ओवर हियर. आप इसमें क्या क्या लिख सकते हो, फुल एक्सप्लेनेशन यू कैन वॉच इट थ्रू द वीडियो फॉर्मेट. एंड लाइक okay, so like this different topics are there. and bifurcations are there, video is there, PDF is there, you can download and study. ESI डिस्क्रिप्टिव प्रैक्टिस भी कंडक्ट होता है इसमें. You have to write your ESI descriptive answer on different topics, and then your answers are evaluated in live classes. Now we'll go to phase one topic. Suppose we are going live quant. So see, number system and the simplification approximation. All the topics are bifurcated in different videos and attached PDFs are attached. So like this सारा subjects का आपको मिल जाएगा इसमें. And then if you go to the upcoming portion, you'll get to see कि अभी live classes और क्या आने वाला है आगे. So scheduled classes is for 28th of July, 29th of July. Likewise, classes are scheduled for you. You can directly go to the upcoming tab if you're going for live classes. Even if you're a working professional, you should definitely try this because इसमें आपको सब तरह का magazines एक जगह पे मिल जाएगा, and you will not waste your time searching for different sources here and there. Just go through, just download the magazine for the month and go through it. So यहाँ पर जनवरी से स्टार्ट है. जनवरी, दिस इज करंट अफेयर्स, डेली करंट अफेयर्स मैगजीन. दिस इज गवर्नमेंट स्कीम. जनवरी में जितने भी गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स मैगजीन अपडेट आया है वो सब है इसमें. एंड PIB फॉर जनवरी, एंड सेम लाइक फेब्रवरी मार्च सब मंथ वाइज दिया हुआ है. एंड RBI नोटिफिकेशंस फॉर मई. जून तक का अपडेटेड है बिकॉज अभी जुलाई चल रहा है. We'll get the e-books also over here. This is RBI Grade B past year question, सब included in phase 1 plus phase 2. यहाँ पर आपको एग्जाम पैटर्न देखने को मिलेगा. आई होप ये सब तो आपको पता होगा. 60 questions are there for reasoning, and for general awareness 80, English 30. Likewise marks, duration is there. Phase 2 का भी likewise bifurcation between objective and descriptive is mentioned. And from here you can start your phase 1 practice. You can go through the questions practice key, where what is the level and what is the level of RBI exam, and then what more you have to do to clear this exam. Suppose we go to finance management, we click there and directly we come here, and you can see what type of questions are asked in finance and management in phase 2. You can see the kitna current affairs का कितना ज़्यादा weightage है. Okay, now we'll move forward. See, this is different in a like initiative in which they have just mentioned the hot topics that's going on, like UPI अभी बहुत ज़्यादा news में चलता है. So UPI if you open, you'll see कि इसके बारे में details दिया हुआ है अभी latest में क्या हुआ है, when it came out for the first time, and इसके बारे में जो भी attachment details है, यहाँ से आप information pick कर सकते हो. Even if some essay comes on UPI, or maybe in finance topic they ask something about UPI, you can mention some details from here to make your answer more reliable. And yeah, this is also very like helpful. I found this thing very interesting and new. I have never not seen it before कि ऐसे टॉपिक वाइज दे आर राइटिंग फुल आंसर्स. लाइक डिस्क्रिप्टिव में बहुत हेल्पफुल हो जाएगा. जैसे RBI का नया गवर्नर आया, so what was his background, what he used to do earlier, so all of those things are mentioned in this PDF. And he was a 1990 batch IAS officer. So this initiative is very interesting for me. This is new that I have not seen in other courses. So what are the qualitative and quantitative tools of monetary policy? So these things are there. You can go through after you have purchased the course, and different schemes are like Somitva schemes there. So these things are there. Is a lot of content. इतना content देखो पढ़ना it's very tough, but if you start early ना, you'll be able to cover things. But just go on making short notes for the last minute revision during the exam time. So these things are there. Now you can go to the test and notes, the main part. So you can go to the RBI phase 1 mocks. Um, you will find the RBI phase 1 mocks here, and this is RBI phase 2 mocks. I'll open for you. So see, like finance and management objective test is there, and ESI. See, total 15 tests are there for each for FM and ESI. So likewise, phase one mocks are also there, phase two is also there, and descriptive part is there. I'll show you the descriptive part also. See, ESI, FM, English, and how many tests are there? 10 tests are there for each. So total 30 descriptive tests is there. We'll also get your answer evaluated. मेरे को लगता है कि इतना बहुत है. This much practice we generally don't do of descriptive, and 30 is more than enough. If you have practiced this much also, it's like sufficient. So we have covered till test and notes. So अगर यहाँ पर आप topic test open करोगे, तो you will see कि this clerk and PO, I think they have mentioned about banking also over here. You get some idea over that. Different sections are like number system, other topic है, sectional test है ये mainly. Not even sectional test. Sectional test is like if you're giving only quant, that's a sectional test. But ये topic wise test है because quant में भी एक particular topic का test है ये. And also that level is given clerk PO. I think it's relevant for banking. So ये भी आपको extra मिल रहा है I think. And okay, I'll go directly to test. See, here you will get sectional test, right? See, this is proper sectional test. This is reasoning, English, quant. ऐसे करके आपको sectional test मिलेगा. Like suppose you're not, you have completed your reasoning part, or you think you're weak in quant. You can write the exam only for quant and do your analysis thing. So that's about test and notes. यहाँ पर आपको सारा notes मिल जाएगा आपका ESI का, finance का, management notes. If you go to the community section, you can post your doubts here, and you can also write to support@alltheport.in, but you can do so after you have enrolled for the course. And यहाँ पर आपका doubts भी solve हो जाता है within 24 hours. So that is the point of having community section. Yeah, so I have walked you through all that I have got in this course. इसके अलावा भी if you have any doubt regarding any other topics that I have not touched upon, or any other doubt regarding to the course, please ask me in the comment section and I'll reply to that. Also, if you're thinking of purchasing this course, I will put a link in the description box. You can go through that and purchase the course. Um, Personally, I think at this price point, the course is really good. It's offering a lot of content, and see, RBI Grade B का course इसी range में आते हैं. So it's ऊपर से you're getting everything that you, and the initiative I talked about, the different topics you're getting the descriptive answer, it will be helpful for you to write. So that thing considering is a good course to take in. And yeah, that's about the course, and I hope it will be helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.